powerful winter storm has buried large parts of Russia's Kamchatka peninsula under record snowfall, disrupting daily life and prompting emergency measures. Snow depths reached extraordinary levels, with drifts piling up to 2 to 3 meters in many areas and even covering homes up to the second or fourth floors. In the regional capital, Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, local authorities declared a state of emergency after at least 2 people were killed when snow and ice fell from rooftops. Schools were closed, public transport and flights were suspended, and roads were blocked or nearly impassable. Emergency crews and heavy machinery are working to clear roads and restore services, while residents struggle with deep snow and hazardous conditions.